Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, the Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, Rancho shocks, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.